Here's what we got today. 2021 Bronco. Oracle grill. It says Bronco, lights up now in white. The ZroadZ bar with the lights on it, whatever they're called, the LED lights, and her new fog lights on both sides. To activate everything, you turn the key on and the grill lights up. I'll show you in pictures, you guys will see that. Everything else is on the factory toggles up here. Fog lights, middle bar, and then the outside bar. I'll show you guys a video on it, what it looks like whenever it's all lit up. I'm also going to do a update on the rock sliders, the brackets that I use to mount them up. I'll show you guys what they look like when they're all mounted up. You slide underneath here. Before there was no mount here, so I put this on. Simple, it's 2 bolts. I'll show you in the video, and 1 bolt here. You got one back here, and then these ones here actually bolt up in here already. This is already mounted, but the other ones, you can see the back too. Now they're bolted up all good. And they're holding. You buy this kit, and these mount the rock sliders up to the frame underneath, or actually the body of the car you're mounting them up to. I'll show you how they go here. It's here's the instructions, pretty easy to understand. I had them upside down at first, but I figured it out after. So I'm going to show you guys how to hook them up. I installed this bracket that they gave me in the kit to put right up here. This was already existing on the truck. I had this on here for a few months now. That nothing happened to the truck driving it the way it was, but they made these brackets now. They're going to go up here and mount this to the body of the car. You're going to use the pinch welds down here. You're going to put this on like that, and then you're going to bolt through here and a bolt through up here, and then put your bolts back on here through your pinch welds. Pretty simple. I already have these loosened up. We're going to just loosen this up by hand real quick. And I'll show you how to do one, and then every other one's the same exact way pretty much. They're numbered, or they're actually like, the back ones are different from the middle ones. The front ones already have them attached. They gave us all new hardware for everything, so it's kind of nice. New nuts, new bolts. These go on like that, simple. You put the big washer, the big one at the top here, like this. There's already threads up here, and there's already a hole up here for it, so you can only put it in one spot at the top. Kind of a pain because it goes at an angle. I'll work on that one after. And then you put your middle one on right here. Just like this. And I'm just tightening these up as tight as I can. This top one's a real pain to get it in. I've already went through the issues trying to get it in before. I'm gonna tighten these all up by hand. Not tight yet, I'm just, and switch out. Where's that little head? Work on this top one there and see if I can get it to go. Everything you see getting done here, it's the exact same thing on the other side. And now it makes it part of the frame. Well, not part of the frame, part of the, you're attaching a lot better to the vehicle. So if you do slide over something, hopefully I'm not a big fan of this right here. Because if you're sliding over something, that's gonna get caught, but I'm sure it'll also wear down or rip off, either way. That's tight. Now we'll do the middle bottom one. That's tight. And then we'll do the ones on the pinch welds. All right, and back here, same thing. This is a different one in the back. It has these little tabs and a block right here, and it has these little tabs. They're gonna go right here after I loosen these up. Very easy working on new cars because there's no rust. Slide this in. Right, there we go. I'm gonna use the new nuts because they supplied them. Back needs to get pushed in a little more. Where's the short one? Very simple job. Probably can have it done in 30 minutes if you do it all the first time. I highly suggest if you purchase these through ZroadZ. You get a better deal on shipping and they come quick. Now I'm going to show you a little bit of a demonstration of the fog lights turned on and off. You can see in the right hand corner that how much brighter it gets. It's a lot more illumination at night. You see a lot better. Definitely on the trails if you're in a dark area. Overall, great lights. Love how they work. So if you want your Bronco letters to light up on the front, it's Oracle Lighting. You can look them up on Google. It's very easy to install. Wires right in. The fog light kit is from ZroadZ. I also put a link to it in the description down below. And then the front light bar with the fog lights, I'll leave a description too down there below.